Hi guys! How is everybody doing? I'm going to use some Valor oil, because that's always a good one when you're doing videos. And if you've never smelled it, oh my goodness, Valor is one of my favorites. So I wanted to hop on here, you guys, to talk about the ins and outs of essential rewards. And I was actually hoping I would be able to do a split screen so I could show you guys stuff, but now it looks like the split screen option went away. So I might not be able to, but I'm just going to walk you through some things. So essential rewards, a lot of you guys are taking advantage of this awesome monthly program because you earn back percentage points in free product, and there's also special bonuses and gifts. So I want to just share how you can make the very most of it and some ways that you can use or switch or do things with it. So the first thing I want to say about essential rewards is that you can only place one essential rewards order per month. So since you earn back 10 to 25% in free product, you want to make sure that you put all your orders on that one order a month, right? Sometimes people are like making a quick order early in the month and then they're making their essential rewards order later in the month. And that's okay if you need to do it, but if you can plan it out, it's always better to put all of your order on essential rewards because you're earning 10 to 25% back. So 10% months 1 through 3. When you've been on it 4 months to 24 months, you're earning 20% back. And at 24 plus months, 2 years plus, you're earning 25% back. So you don't want to just throw out quick orders here and there, and then you're not earning the 10% or the 20% or the 25% back. So really planning out your month, looking at what you need. I love to do this because it's like my oily shopping list, and I look at my next month coming up, and I'm like, ooh, what do I all need? And I kind of throw everything I want on my essential rewards. Sometimes it's a little too much, and I have to kind of take a few things off. And then I often buy those things that I had to take off with the free points, and I get them for free. So one order per month. You can only do one essential rewards order per month. So that can be confusing. Sometimes people are like thinking they can do multiple ones in a month. You can do as many quick orders as you want in a month, but you can only do one essential rewards order a month. So I always say, get it all on there because you're earning free points. Now, the other thing is when you spend a certain PV amount, you're getting free bonuses. And there's special ones for essential rewards. So this month, and every month they have them, but they're different every month. This month, at 100 PV order, you get Lime Vitality. At 190, you get Lime Vitality, plus you get Peace and Calming, and you get Eucalyptus Radiata. At a 250 PV order, you're going to get Lime Vitality, Peace and Calming, Eucalyptus Radiata, and Juniper Oil. And then at a 300 PV order, you're going to get all those, plus you're going to get Thieves and Clarity. So you can get a lot of free oils. And this is another reason why you should put all your orders on that one order. Because if you do a 50 PV quick order at the beginning of the month, and then you do an 80 PV essential rewards order at the end of the month, those would have been 130 combined, and you would have gotten a free Lime Vitality. But you missed out because you divided it into 2 separate orders. So this is also a place where it's really great to reach out to your friends. A lot of times your friends maybe want to try a lavender, or they want to try this awesome Thieves that they've heard so much about, or they want to try the Thieves cleaner, or maybe they want to go natural with a deodorant. And so a lot of times, a lot of us will ask our friends, hey, do you need any Young Living products? And then we add them onto our orders. And I've had so many times where I've gotten my order up to the 300 PV mark, and that means I'm getting like $200 worth of free product in those freebies, plus I'm earning 25% of that 300 PV. So that's, $70 some of free product. So you really, like, the more that you plan and the more that you think about it and the more that you reach out to your friends, because you'd be surprised, a couple friends wanting 1 or 2 oils can really add up on your order. So make sure that you're planning. so you're not spreading out and doing all these little orders throughout the month, because you don't want to miss out on those freebies. You don't want to place two, $90 orders at each side of the month. And if you would have placed them in one Essential Rewards order, you would have gotten 3 free oils, the Lime Vitality, Peace and Calming, and the Eucalyptus Radiata at the 190 PV order. So hopefully you guys understand those freebies when you're on ER. I do see a lot of times, because I can look at my downline and I can see a lot of you are right at 80 PV or 90 PV, and I'm like, oh man, if they just put 10 more PV on there, they'd get a free oil, So it's always good to do that, or to just check in at where you're at with those freebies. Okay, so 1 order per month. Make sure that you ask your friends if they need anything, so you can get the very most out of those freebies and those points back. The other thing is, and I thought I was going to be able to do the split screen, but it doesn't look like I can right now. Facebook is always changing up the way you can do videos. So on your Essential Rewards screen, and I'm just going to go to mine so I can see, when you hit the Essential Rewards, there's this whole screen that pops up. It says your monthly order, and you can view your order, change your order. You want to make sure each month you're going in, you're adding what you want that month before your process date, and you are saving it, okay? And you want to have that all done before that date. Otherwise, you're going to get the same order as you ordered last month, and nobody wants that. You can hit underneath that is a thing that says processing date, and it says current processing day, and it has your day of the month. You can change that if you ever need, maybe your paydays go every 2 weeks, and so that means it changes each month. You can change that to make sure it's lining up with when it's convenient for you. Then there's a button that says manually process. So if you ever have your date is at the end of the month, like the 29th or something, but for some reason it's the 15th of the month, and you just want to get your order today and you don't want to have to wait until that particular day, you can hit that manually process today, and it'll process your Essential Rewards early. You still get all the points and all the benefits, and then it'll reset for the next month on the 29th or whatever day your ER was. So it won't change your ER date. It's just for that month you're deciding to process early. I usually do this. My ER date is actually like the 24th, but a lot of times I do it right after I get paid on like the 17th or 18th, and I just want to process it through. Yes, honey? Sorry, my son was asking something. So you can hit that process early, manually processed, and it'll process it today. And then you'll be ready to go the next month on the normal processing day, but you can process it early. Okay, you can also click on, under Essential Rewards, there's My Monthly Order that has those things where you can change your payment method, your shipping address, you can change your processing day, you can view your order history so you can see all the Essential Rewards orders you've had in the past. There's a tab at the top that says Reward Points. So you can click on that and it shows you what your point balance is. That's the free points that you can earn or that you can spend just like regular money on free product. It also tells you your current earn rate. So it'll tell you what percentage you're at. If you're at the 10, the 20, or the 25%, it'll tell you how many consecutive months you've been on Essential Rewards. And you can even look at your rewards point history, and you can see where you've redeemed your points and how many points you've earned and all those things. Then right there is a button that says Shop to Redeem Points Now. You can hit that button and it's going to take you to a quick order. So when you're redeeming your Essential Rewards points, some people like to wait till they have 300 points and they go on this big, awesome shopping spree and they get Young Living products that maybe they normally wouldn't splurge on. Some people like to get like a Raindrop kit, or maybe they get the Ninja Red Essential Rewards kit or the Thieves Essential Rewards kit. So they get something big. Other people like me, every month I'm like, oh, I didn't realize I'm almost out of shampoo and conditioner. I better order that. Or, oh, I need deodorant. And I hadn't put it on my Essential Rewards. So I'm like, well, I'll just use my free points and I'll get those for free. So it will take you to a quick order. You add the things you want in the cart. And then at the end of that, when you go to pay, it will have a little tab that has your payment. And above that, it will say Essential Rewards points. And you click on that. And it will open up all the items in your cart, and then you can put a little check for the ones that you want to use your points on, and it'll kind of tell you your balance. And as you check those things, it'll show your point balance going down. So you got to plan it kind of, if you want to have like a free order, you're still going to have to pay the shipping, okay, on the quick order for the Essential Rewards points. So you get all the product for free, but you do have to cover the shipping. And it has to be done in a quick order. So if you just follow that Essential Rewards points where it says shop to redeem my points now, it's going to take you right over to the quick order. But you can just hit that quick order tab and you can add the things to your cart. And when it gets to the payment part, there's a little tab above where you would choose your payment that says Essential Rewards points, and you can select which products you want to use those free points on and which products you want to get free. The thing with it is to know that, say something, you have 10 PV points. You cannot buy something that is a 15 PV value and just use 10 of those points and pay the other $5. You have to have enough points to cover that entire item. So if you have more points, like if you have something that's 15 PV that you want to get and you have 25 points, that's fine. You can click that and you'll still have 10 points left. But say you have something in your cart that is 28 PV and